What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and this is day 7 of the Tailgate Alaska Festival, so let's get to it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. Good morning, everyone. Oh, it is another sunny day. We keep on having them out here. This has been a super good year at Thompson Pass. Today, the plan is to bring Steve out, his first day ever riding at Thompson Pass. Get ourselves into some good stuff, hopefully. All goes well. And we're gonna get breakfast going, get the sleds all gassed up and ready to go, and we're gonna head into the hills. Best coffee in the world right here, at least some of my favorite coffee, Colati Brothers. I don't know why, I just really like it.
What radio are you on, Timmy?
What's up? Then what are you guys on?
Coming, Tim.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
That's how much gas we got.
What?
So I get more today.
You guys are totally out of gas?
Well, I thought I should leave Greg a little bit.
I mean, you can borrow. I got some gas over here. If you want some. I don't know how much that thing drinks. Maybe you're all right.
Where are we going? Yeah.
I don't know. We might be going far. I'll get some right over here if you want some. Oh, it's all good. Yeah.
Gas station?
I've got you. There you go.
Are you sure?
Yeah, totally. Yeah, put some gas in there. I always bring way too much because I just like get paranoid about like, what if I burn 10 gallons a day, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
That and I don't want to drive to
Better
town.
to be, yeah, prepared.
Point away.
Did that truck go over? Is that your truck?
Yep.
Jeez, Jim.
Oh, jump. Oh! Man, I've never seen you not stick one.
Yeah.
It's so crazy how all the mountains just connect to each other out here. It just like keeps on going. You got a piece of helicopter there?
Yeah.
Yes.
It's not flying very good.
It's crazy. Yeah, the helicopter wrecked right here. We'd heard about it, and here it is. You can smell the fuel smelling really strong. Go left the key. Yeah, left the key. All right. Thanks, Em. Probably over there. I thought, well, that's pretty flat too. You just don't want to go down this big Milan down here. Are you serious?
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, we're up there, man. That's crazy. That's pretty high.
I forgot these things had altimeters on them.
Yeah, totally. All right, we found a pretty epic ghost lap up here. Steve's sled's way down there. This is absolutely blower, pal. Couldn't ask for a better day. Pretty stoked. We're gonna send her down. There she goes. Hopefully it turns left and does not go right into that hole. Really helped if my binding wasn't broken, but we are, oh, the snow is so good. Woo! Dude! Woo! Woo!
You guys, the snow's really good over here. Yeah, we were watching.
Glad Thompson Pass finally worked out for you.
Finally. It took like 13 years.
Yep. It's crazy. You know it's a long run when the sled just disappears for so long. Nah.
Oh, let's go.
Do it again. So nice out again.
Dude, it is nice. Yeah, I got the hot tubs up.
Yeah, I was wondering, yeah.
Yeah.
Where'd you set her up?
Yep, hot tub's on fire.
Over the hill or so you get extra hidden?
I said that'd take a lot of work going up the hot tub.
Well, but then
You just mentioned hot tub.
Hey, you want to sit in a hot
yeah.
tub?
Hey, hey. What's going on? How you doing?
Just got back.
Nice.
And I'm flag off my ice cave so no one falls through.
Yeah, it's less.
Nice choice.
It looked pretty open over there still.
Dude, I was rolling down the road. I'm like, dude, I think my sled's like the oldest one here. But then
Nope.
Yep.
That's my sled.
Nope, you're good.
I was like, oh, I guess not.
87.
Nice. It's like everybody's got brand new sleds here.
Well, that can't go up no mountains.
No.
That can go to the hot tub and back.
Yeah, right.
Yep. I think you'd have some gear.
Yeah, that's a good idea.
Well, that's a wrap, y'all. Stay tuned for the next video where we continue the Tailgate Alaska Festival experience. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you on the next one. Peace, y'all.